So this is the way to go to the hospital.
Waiting.
This is the waiting.
Oh, they have a festival over there. That's another body.
They have a
You see
festival.
the deity inside? Over here, come over here. You can see the deity over there.
So this is the place Mother Teresa walked every day to go to the hospital. She took a bus and then walked here. Calcutta. How far is this place from the mother house?
It's 6-7 kilometers.
Oh, okay.
7 kilometers.
So we're going to the hospital where Mother Teresa used to work every day. So the mother house here in Calcutta is just 7 kilometers away. She used to take a bus to come here to take care of all the sick, the infirm, and the dying. So this is a place
And wash your hands, wash your feet. Even if it's cold, do that. Put water on your feet, wash your hands, put the water on your feet, put warmer. Do you have an acidity problem? When you try this, something like here. You get homeopathy medicine in your country? You don't have any shops of homeopathy in your country?
Right now we do, but I have to research Google.
So a lot of people here.
That's a deity.
The Mother Goddess.
That's a temple. We are not getting into the temple. We'll be going into the hospital.
Okay.
That's a saloon. Your haircut.
So how many years Mother Teresa lived here?
Mother Teresa lived in India. It came down when he was 18 years.
Okay.
After 18 years, she came down to India. From the age of 20, she has been living continuously.
Okay. So they are eating breakfast here.
With pachuris and all that.
So it's just like a market too, bakery.
It's a way to the people. This is a guys, they use it on the parting of the hair,
Yeah.
and it's a symbol of marriage. When
Okay.
you turn right, this way, that's the hospital right over there.
So basically, Mother Teresa will stay, sleep at her house, the mother house, and then every day walk here.
Sometimes they used to come, but generally they used to stay over there. There are other people.
Yeah.
There are many sisters. Mother Teresa started with 10 sisters technically.
Okay.
10 sisters. You saw a sister with a stick over there?
Yes.
She's one of the oldest.
Yeah, Sister Joaquin. I talked to her. Yeah.
Yeah, she's one of the oldest.
She told me she's 86 or something. 80.
Hospital নিয়ে চল Mother Teresa. Hospital যাবে না।
Namaste.
এই নে এই এই ওই
So this is the place Mother Teresa used to walk and work.
That's the hospital of Mother Teresa.
That's the one. This one?
This one, the white one.
Oh, the one. Oh, there's a image of Divine Mercy, Jesus. So people are sleeping here in the floor. So here's the hospital.
Volunteers come over here, they stay. They don't stay actually.
Yeah. So they just work because there is no room to stay.
No. They come every in the morning, in the evening they get back, or the volunteers.
Okay.
And I've seen many Europeans, they do the volunteering service of it.
Oh wow, amazing.
That's the entry. Watch your step over here.
There's a beautiful image of Mother Teresa. Namaste.
So ask them if they allow pictures inside, then take pictures. No allowed inside. You can take outside, okay? Not inside. So there are patients on that.
পাড়ি চলে না, মানুষ মারা যাচ্ছে, কুকুর মারা গেছে, বাবা খবর না হারিয়ে দিল তোমাকে। হ্যাঁ ঠাকুর মাল করিয়ে এই জায়গাতে মানে
Washroom, no, they have to be paid washroom license. We need right now. Just
Operation of Calcutta Missionary Charity Mother's Home. So this is the place where the sick and the dying.
আর আগে কেটে ভালো